Good evening, I'm Boino Dongal and you're watching any Premier English News. Today's headlines. Heavy to very heavy rainfall forecast. Indian Meteorological Department issues orange alert for Assam. Now the news in detail. On 16th May 2022, there seems to be no respite from the intense rainfall in the northeastern states. The Indian Meteorological Department on Monday said that heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over Assam and other northeast states during next 5 days. According to Indian Meteorological Department, due to strong southwesterly winds from Bay of Bengal to northeast and adjoining East India at lower tropospheric levels, widespread light, moderate rainfall with isolated heavy to very heavy falls very likely over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya and sub-Himalayan West Bengal and Sikkim during next 4 to 5 days. Isolated extremely heavy falls very likely over Meghalaya on 16th and 17th of May 2022. Isolated heavy falls very likely over Mizoram and Tripura during 16th to 17th May. According to weather.com, meteorologists, rainfall up to 50 to 80 mm per day is on the cards for the northeastern states during the next 5 days. Although parts of Assam and Meghalaya may experience rainfall in excess of 100 mm per day on May 16th and 17th. In view of this forecast, the Indian Meteorological Department has issued an orange alert over Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim for May 16th and May 17th, so as to urge the locals to be prepared for the heavy rains, thunderstorms and lightning. Moreover, yellow alert have been issued over Nagaland, Mizoram, Manipur and Tripura on May 16th and May 17th to indicate the need to be updated about the inclement weather. The incessant rainfall over the past couple of days in northeast India, especially in Assam and Meghalaya, triggered flooding and landslides in Assam, resulting in the loss of life and property. 3 people died due to landslide in Havok in Assam's Dima Hasso district on Saturday. According to the latest bulletin by Assam State Disaster Management Authority, a total of 56,669 people across 7 districts have been affected by the first wave of floods in Assam.